Hi guys, okay, it's Blackie. Now, the class went really well, and I had a lot of people sign up for it. So today is the 15th, and the cutoff date was midnight last night, so I'm not going to be anybody else sign up for the class. And the class will be sent out by email. What I'll do is I'll send you the link to the video, and you'll get that sometime tomorrow, if not on Wednesday, because there was so many people signed up. I have to send 1,397 cut and paste the link to your email and send it to you. It's going to take a while, so just bear with me guys. I am sending it. You are going to get it. And if you have not heard back from me by Wednesday, send me an email and say, okay, I didn't get it, and I'll send it to you then. However, give me till Wednesday, because I'm going to be cutting and pasting, and I don't want my email filling up with more people going, I ain't got it yet, I ain't got it yet, I ain't got it yet. I'm not going to keep up with 1,400 people, guys. I got to send it. So just give me till Wednesday, and you should have it by then. If you have not got it by Wednesday, by the end of the day, Wednesday, contact me on Thursday, and I will send it to you, okay? All right. Thanks so much, guys, for all your support, and I hope you enjoyed the video. There'll be more videos coming in that series. Till next time, I'm Blackie, wishing you safe journeys. Have a great day, guys.